The Muslim body moves the centre to stop Udaipur files. The Muslim body Jamiat does not want Udaipur files to be released. Remember, while there has been a lot of commotion over it, a likely stay as well that is currently in the courts. However, now we are told that Jamiat has reached out to the centre to say the beheading movie incites hatred. Udaipur Files film is communal. To give you a background, what does it talk about? Remember 2022 real life incident of Tela Kanhaiya Lal on camera, who was not only killed but beheaded brutally. And the film is based on that. So it's based on clearly a real life incident all of us know about, barely about 3 years ago. And now the Jamiat plea, however, is that this film needs to be stalled. It incites communal hatred and should not be allowed. This is now clearly for the centre to also take this ahead, but we know that the matter had already reached the court, especially with regard to how there appears to have been a stay on the film. The Delhi High Court order had stayed the release earlier, but it's still currently legal options are being explored by the film crew. Our legal correspondent Anisha Mathur is joining me from the newsroom for the latest on that. Anisha, what is the issue here? Because this is as real life incident as it gets. We have the details, we have the visual evidence, and yet the Muslim body feels that this could incite communal hate. And what happens here on? Because they've approached the centre, not the court.
Well, Pooja, they've approached the centre on the direction of the Delhi High Court. Please remember, just last week, Jamiat had gone to the High Court saying that this movie should not be released. The High Court, after taking note of the Cinematographer Act, noted that while the court cannot interfere when the CBFC certifies a movie and allows it to be released, it is the power under the INB Ministry. The INB Ministry is the appellate authority over the CBFC, and that is why the High Court said we are issuing a stay on the release of the movie for now, to give Jamiat time to approach the competent authority, which is what has been done now. The High Court had directed the Jamiat to approach this INB Ministry. Now, in the tweet that has now been issued by Arshad Madani, who's the head of the Jamiat Ulema-e-Hind, he says that this movie will give rise to communal tension, it creates communal hatred, and will spoil the image of India in the international community, and that is why the centre should not allow this movie to be released. It should in fact withdraw the CBFC certification that has been given to this movie.